Shib coin reach one USD dollar by 2022 or 25? Absolutely, my friend. Today video, my friend, I told you about this, my friends. To Shibano can possible, my friends, to they will reach one USD dollar and 2025. So let's get started without any time waste this brand video. But kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos and notification, my friends. First of all, the detail is very important to you know about the Shiba coin, my friends, and Dogecoin. You can see here, if we see their website, they have mentioned that it can be a give thought competition of Dogecoin. Absolutely, my friends, this competition and the Dogecoin, they both are brother, my friend. You can see here, but Dogecoin has been growing and growing every day since Elon Musk promote especially tweet, my friend. On the other hand, the Shiba Inu the Shibano has very thin growth. Yes, exactly, my friend. And absolutely, Elon Musk also promotes Shibano and 14 March. So therefore, my friend, they completely moving upward. It no doubt took the internet by storm. When it announced it Nike, and then that is a Dogecoin killer. This is the Nike name, my friend, nickname. So, but it seems to be a failed strategy. If we see the upcoming price, we can assume that the price will reach 0.0085 USD dollar, my friend. You know, in the current condition, if we can see, my friends, so they are continuously after the average is come to, my friend, 0.0085 USD dollar. Otherwise, my friends, they move up, they falls down, but the average is come to this. You can see here at the end of June 2021. So this is the major data. You can see here they will hit 0.0085 USD dollar. So if the coin, my friend, can see here, just sorry, if the coin will rise the way, we can say that the price will be 0.003 dollars in January 2022 and January 2020. If they hit 0.003 USD dollar in January 2022, so we can conclude that the rise in the price is very low. Absolutely, the price is come to very low if they're moving in this speed. So in this way, there is no chance it will reach 1 USD dollar in 2022. This is reality, my friends. There is no chance they will reach 1 USD dollar in 2022. So therefore, I recommend all of you, my friends, to kindly don't invest in a Dogecoin, my friend, in a Shibano, my friend, for a long time. If you want a profit, then exactly invest for a short time. I hope, my friend, Shibano will give you very good profit. So if you invest for a short time, so don't invest for a long time. And please subscribe on YouTube channel for more this type informative videos if you are a Shibano holder. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.